Hi guys, a couple of weeks ago I installed my water tank and the enclosure and I still have to do some testing for leaks. And besides the leaks, I might have an issue where when the vehicle is parked or driving at an angle or while braking, that the water movement in a probably filled up tank might be able to escape either through the vent hole here or even the fill hole, or I got a second vent hole at the wall. So I'll be checking that out too. I'm parked now at approximately a 10-degree angle on my driveway entry. That's the most I can get. And the issue is that when the water tank is filled to capacity, the water will tend to flow towards the rear and push onto the entry fill dish and the vent hole. And just to indicate that, if I put it here at the highest point of the water tank, then this is about level. So you can see that that fill dish and the fill hose and the vent hole is way below that. So there is a possibility of water coming out of there. One cameo appearance of my big friend, hey? Oh, Joey? Huh? Okay. Joey. Oh. There's love in the air. Huh? Yeah. He's always a little bit nosy, but that's fine. What I wanted to explain is I bought a few things. First of all, I have been thinking about these vent holes, and so I ordered a couple of these one-way valves. Don't know whether they will work sufficiently or whether they're needed at all. There's not much pressure needed, but I don't know. I have to test that out just to make sure that they would work. So we'll check that out. Yeah, take it easy. I know, I'm sweating. The second thing that I did is, you have to remember that this fill hole is inside my vehicle. So every time I use a water hose to fill it up, you'll have some water that drips off of the hose, or that it's always wet. And to avoid it, because it's inside outside, it just drips off your metal skin of the van. But inside it might be a problem, even though everything is treated. So what I did is I bought a filler hose with an on-off part, put that on the hose, stick that into the fill hose as far as I can, and then do the filling. Joey. Okay. I want to be part of it. The third thing that I bought is a little bottle of food coloring, which I'll probably put into my water tank for it easier to be seen on video, so you can really see the water level. One thing is nice is that I installed this water level, and as you hopefully can see, the water level is now a little bit more than half. although it's probably about half because the car is not level. But that works beautifully. No need for any electric sensors that can go wrong and will go wrong. This is a simple but beautiful solution. Easily viewable whenever I get out of the car. Put the hose under pressure and you can see it works fine. Completely dry. Just in case somebody notices, I'm using my regular garden hose. In the end, when I'm moving into my van, I'll have a food grade hose for that too. We'll be adding some food coloring now. As you may be able to see, is that I'm getting a leak here. So before proceeding, trying to get that fixed first. I don't seem to have a leak when I'm not filling, so I think I'm filling it a little bit slower now, and it doesn't leak here. So I think that the fill hose, this big green and white one, has been damaged while probably while doing the installation, and so I might have to replace that part. But I don't see any water anywhere else, so that's a good thing. As you can see, it's filling up now. You can also clearly see now how the tank is bulging a little bit. This is slightly open and the rest is closed. And especially out here you can see how that bulge goes. The tank flows into the fill hose here, because it's lower than the front, and that confirms that there's a leak in the fill hose, probably at the bottom part, because I can see some leakage coming out of here. Now the dump hose. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. Done a good job.